Good morning. Yes, I'm in my pajamas because I'm going to show you something that I eat for breakfast most days. You can all call me crazy, but it's cold cucumber soup, which I love. And I wanted to show you my Vitamix because it's a really great piece of equipment. I know Vitamixes are expensive, but I got this one directly from Vitamix as a refurbished, and it was a lot cheaper and still came with a really kick-ass guarantee. Hope the kids aren't watching. Anyway, so we have one whole cucumber that I have peeled and chopped. Okay, one that's kind of a half a shallot, chopped, roughly chopped. You don't have to chop anything too much because it's a Vitamix. As my friend Amy Spencer once said, you can put an old shoe in there and it will come out a smoothie. That was celery tops and celery, like tops, leaves and tops of celery, which I love. It's kind of a key ingredient, although this is a really amenable recipe. The only thing you really need is cucumber. I'm gonna put a mess of cilantro in there because I like cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can leave it out. You can use regular parsley. You can even use, if you ever get carrots with the tops attached, those tops are great. All right, so chicken broth. This is you kind of eyeball this. I'm putting a lot in because this is going to make 2 portions. All right, so that's how much I put in. And non-fat yogurt. Another eyeball it. Just like a couple of big scoops, I guess. One, that's almost enough. There, that much. Salt, which I have to go get because I'm not prepared. Salt. To taste. I like a lot of salt. And I usually put in a little sriracha, which I'll go get because I forgot. And come on, here it is. All right, a little sriracha if you want. You don't have to do this either. I like a little zip. So the next thing you're going to do is put it on the Vitamix. Put it on. You use this thingamajig to beat it down. Gotta be loud. Beat it all down. Okay, it's pretty much mixed. Then put this back on so you don't have a lot of shit all over the place. Then you turn it up. Woo! Woo! And that's it. Cold cucumber soup. Enjoy.